This is how to use this our two email extractor, and this black one is Pro. So you are going to see all the features and the benefit of the Pro and reason why you should upgrade to Pro or you should use free one. So let's start from using this free one. This free one is limited, is not unlimited. You have limits when you're starting email on this. And this Pro one, you don't have limits. So to get started on free one, you have a lot of challenges because you can't just type keyword here. You see keyword, but you can't type keyword. You need to right click on your mouse. When you click right click button on your mouse, then the ad pop up for you to enter your keyword. Let's say we are searching for CEO in Nigeria. We go enter plus 234. I even make it easy for the system by saying Nigeria. Now click OK. That's how to add keyword in this free one. And in the paid one, you have feature where you type keyword here. See keyword, you can type your keyword CEO easily without clicking anything on right on your mouse. You can do plus 231. So next step here, now we learn how to type keyword on the two software. This keyword mean telling system people you are searching for. So you can see here, next step, you can see email lead we add here. If you don't like all this email, you can of course delete it and add your own. I can do, let me just cut this out. You can delete it like this and you can always paste it back and make sure anyone you want to save, you can save it here automatically. Once you paste it, they automatically saved. But in the Pro one, it's not like that because if you add a new email domain here, you have to click it, right click on your mouse to save it so that it will remain there permanent until when you want to delete. If you want to delete, you can always clear this ones. Or you can also do the same thing like old one by clicking delete like this and click save. But the free one, you don't have that kind of feature. You can only copy and paste. And when you use it finish, you can't save it again. They're all gone. But if you want to keep it forever, you can save. See save here is not here. So next step, now you know our domain. Next feature the paid one has is this one you don't have a business email addresses feature. You have to control these domains. If you don't like the domains, you have to add the type of domains you want. Let's say that you don't need all these free email addresses, public email addresses like Gmail, Hotmail, and Outlook. What you need to do is you need the pro one so that you can switch to business email. Instead of a persona, you switch to business email because the persona is this private public domains here. And in free one, this free one, you don't have a feature where you can add uh, business email. So to go along, on the pro one, you can select country directory. So this means we have country here. You can select any country you are targeting. We type targeting Nigeria here. You can just write any, and it's going to take us to see Nigeria here. Then you can select country. You can also choose all languages if you want to choose languages. This is pro, is not on this free one here, so it's not here. You can't do it on free one. You do it on pro. We also have a minimum maximum we want to extract. Let's say if you're going for 50K email, you can tell system I just want to extract 50,000 email here. You can see it here, and you can tell system how many email you want to extract. Delay and thread, all this is not in uh, free one. Only delay is on the free one. Here you can set up delay. You can increase delay or you can decrease. We make it 10, and here in thread we also make it 5 for you. So social media platform where you can extract email. On a free one, you have all these a couple social media platform: LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Pinterest, and Twitter, TikTok. And this last one here, not in paid one is different because in paid one we have a lot of them here. And not only that, you can also choose a website you want to extract email from by clicking add. When you click this add, you can choose website you want to extract email. Yellow, let's say you want to go to yellow pages. You do the same thing on domain. Yellowpages.com, then click OK. Now the yellow page account automatically added at the bottom here, so you can select it and use it to extract email. But in free one, you don't have that feature here. So now let's use it to work. As you already see the features, the another feature missing here is export feature. In paid one, you have export a lot of export features that you can use. This one here is Excel, export Excel. If your computer don't have Excel, then do not use this export. Instead, come to this white space here and right click on your mouse, and the other features to export is going to pop up. You can show all in full screen, and if you right click again on your mouse, you can export CSV file, HTML, export JSON, and also SQL. So there's a lot of way to export email from this paid one, but it's not like that in the free one, because in free one you don't even have any export feature like this one that come openly. All you have to do here is right click on your mouse, and you only have Excel. So if you don't have Excel on your computer, you're always going to fight over this. Or you have a file converter if you want to access your email after extracting. Then here it's not like that, because you can, once you right click on your mouse, right click on your mouse in this open space, is see export CSV file or HTML file. Let's start work, and you're going to see how this works. First, I'm going to click start on the free one. And I'm also going to click start on the paid one. And you can see the paid one is much faster. As you guys can see, it's automatically start extracting email even before the free one start. So it's much faster to extract email, and you don't have limit on this one. But this free one, you have limits, because Google is going to try to push you out, because you are collecting data in restricted areas. So you have a lot of disadvantage using this free site. If you want to go by thousands of email, you have to avoid using this free one. But if you are working on small project, go ahead and start learning from this free one how email marketing work, and is completely okay. I'm going to stop the two system and let's export the file, and I'm going to show you the difference of Excel and CSV file when you try to open it on your computer. Just click stop and finish. Okay. Also click stop on the paid one. Now it's time to export these files we are extracting here, these emails and the phone numbers we are extracting. So here you can see our directory here +223. This is a public phone number. If I expand this, you see the number you're extracting. Reason why I'm closing this is that Google don't like you exposing personal contacts or personal infos here. So here is title. You can see email, phone number, URL, and names as well. So what we need to do right now is to start exporting. When you right click on this mouse, on this center of your email you're extracting, right click your mouse, you see export Excel. Now my computer is going to pop up and telling me to export. I'm going to say free extractor file. I'm going to save it. So that I will just know the two. And these two here, I can just right click and see export CSV file. This one to finish. Click OK. Now it give me the read data, and I'm going to say okay, demo. Just click it data for demo. Now we need to open my computer now. Try to open these two files, and you're going to see the different. And let's start by opening the free one, free file. Okay, this is the two file here, free extractor and free Excel. Let's I want to open this file. Double click it to open the file for the free one. And do the same thing on Pro as well. Double click the two file so that you can open the file. And the two file automatically open. And I'm going to show you what is happening here. Let's go to our the two file. You can see this is from the free extractor. See, free extractor file. This is a XLXX file. You can see if I open this here, you can see how this corrupts the lead we just extract because we don't have a cell. Me myself, I don't have a cell on my computer. So this file, you just destroy everything on this file. And the application that did that is this free one, this one. So and let's go to the data of the paid one. Go down, go back. And this is the data here. You can see here we have title, phone number, and email. All this here is the data, correct data. Nothing happened to the data here because I export as CSV file. So this is the difference between the two. So if you want to make use of the data, this data that I destroy like this, I will recommend you should use a file converter, convert a cell to TST or to CSV file. Using file converter can give you back your email addresses here. So I don't really have a tutorial yet for free users for how to get this email address, but tomorrow I will find a way to do the video when on my free time so that you guys will learn how to get your data after you export it on your file if you don't have a cell application on your computer. But for pro users, you don't have any problem about exporting your file on CSV file. When you right click, you export CSV file or HTML. If I export this HTML, it's also good for you to check it out on Google how your file look like. Okay, I export HTML. I need to open my file manager, computer file manager again. And this is the HTML I just export. Double click it to open on your browser and you're going to see all the details here. You can see your email addresses and links and phone numbers, and this make it easy for you to track where you are working for what you are working on. The reason why I'm scrolling like this, not keeping this one place, is because TikTok, YouTube, on WhatsApp, they don't like sharing personal information. I don't want anything to happen to my account. And if you love this video, just give me a share. And this extractor, and this is the structure that help us get that. I just use it to block that email addresses so that they won't ban us. So from here, you can start working on your project. This Pro one is a 6 month subscription. You pay only $50 for 6 months subscription. Though I want to also teach you something about this Pro one. If you want to really get unlimited email and you want to leave email and even go to bed and sleep and you don't want to anything to happen, you want to script quality lead. This Pro one will give you and proxy feature. All you have to do click this enable proxy. Is not on free one. You can't do that on free one. And this pro one is for professional data scrappers. If you're data scrappers, you know already that you need proxy to bypass or residentials to start email in any country, any location with no problem at all. So I have to click proxy here and I need to load this proxy. Let me go to proxy, my proxy account, and I can just generate like 39 global residential. I can target specific country, but I want to go global, so I can just select sticky IP and generate IP. This is the IP. Go ahead and open this IP here and copy this IP. I need to transfer this IP on a notepad. Thank God we already opened tons of notepads here. I'm going to use this data result for email we extract. I'm going to delete everything and put my ID. The reason why I delete it is because I'm not making use of it. It's just for demo. Okay, I need to save this as IPPRX just to remember, and I'm going to save it on home. and just click save. Okay, I have to select, let me save it on download, and just click save. And here I have to find it on my download, click download, and this is my IP, and I'm just going to load the IP here. See, I loaded it. Click start so that we verify these IP addresses to make sure they are working. And we are going to delete failed IP because any failed IP is going to interrupt our work. And as you can see, all my IP is okay, and we have already get one failed IP. We don't need this failed one here. We need to delete it, this failed one. So to do that, I'm going to click stop verifying and remove failed IP by clicking remove failed one, and now click save. Now we save it, we need to close the proxy. This is proxy issue, proxy configuration successfully. I can clear this out and I can just load maybe new keyword. Let's say Mac. This is for demo. You can search for any kind of business here, any kind of people or clients you want to work with here. And once you click start, the proxy is going to be rotating themselves. And this is how to use proxy to collect data with no limit at all. With no limit, you don't have limit when you're using proxy. So you buy this software on solobranding.store. Let me take you to my store. This is my store, and this is the email extractor here. Visual 6 email extractor, $50. Uh, Only for 59 people already buy on this store, and a lot of people are buying on WhatsApp. But if you can buy on my store, which accept all currency, Nigeria currency, bank transfer, OPay, BTC, USDT on my website, you can go ahead and buy it. If you come here, you see review, what people are saying about our proxy and our extractor. This one is extractor. This is people's review here, our users review. This is their reviews here. So you can go ahead and check it out. And if you come here, you can also buy email verification on on our site. This is our email verification. This one here. So it's important after you start email, you verify your email addresses. So this is our email verification. You can also buy it $50, and only 28 people are using it already. So if you scroll down here, you can also view the review. Only one person can have already write us a review, and you can see when the person write review out of 28, only one person, which is not really bad. Sure, we never when people start buying, when their monthly subscription expire, they can continue their review. Or you can also verify unlimited email addresses after you will collect email. You can go there and download, or to click download, you have to make the purchase. And we also have here a proxy. The proxy version here is a $40, and we see we have 80 buyers already, and we have zero review here. Nobody have right to review for proxy. We don't have much people on proxy. That is the problem here. A lot of only 8 people is professional that we have worked with, and they love using our proxy. So this our free one, you get the free email extractor on my WhatsApp community. If you never join my WhatsApp community, click my WhatsApp link on my any of my profile, or ask me about the WhatsApp community on WhatsApp here, and I'm going to send you my WhatsApp and a WhatsApp community link. And if you're already on my WhatsApp community learning from this video right now, so shout out to you, and I love you so much. You guys are awesome, and I already believe that all our software will get you clients, daily clients like our professionals. So you have to invest on your business. I don't have any issue with you if you choose to use this free extractor. So see you in next video.